three things that help you qualify for the best tax relief programs. Number one, compliance. Okay. Now, I get you haven't been able to pay some of your tax debt. All right. That's why you're in this situation. So you're not fully compliant, obviously. But compliance in terms of filing your tax returns, even if you couldn't pay. Compliance in terms of honoring previous tax relief programs you've entered into with the IRS, right? You aren't somebody who, been in and out of installment agreements. You've been defaulting installment agreements so much over the years. So in general, compliance is looked on favorably by the IRS when assessing your situation to place you into a new tax relief program. Okay. Number two, the less you have in terms of income and assets, all else being equal, the more you're going to qualify for. Okay. And of course, this is relative to your tax debt, right? This is all, it's all relative to your tax debt, your financial situation, and your number of dependents and all that. But all else being equal, same household situation, same amount of tax debt, same living location, same monthly expenses, the individual with lower income and lower assets is probably going to qualify for more tax relief than someone with more. Okay. This isn't to say someone with a good income and wealth can't qualify for something like an offer in compromise. It's just that if you're making great money and you have money left over every month and you have like equity in like a couple properties and you have like a good stock portfolio and all those things, you're probably not going to qualify for an offer in compromise on $10,000 of tax debt. Okay. Might you qualify for an offer in compromise on $1 million of tax debt? Maybe. It's all relative. You got to look at the numbers. Okay. Third thing, the older your tax debt, the more likely it is that the IRS is going to be willing to negotiate with you on it. And this makes sense if you understand the IRS has a 10-year collection statute of limitations. This is a period of time during which the IRS can collect a tax debt. That clock starts running once the IRS has assessed the tax. Okay. And it can be extended for various things called tolling events. Okay. But in general, the closer a tax debt is to dropping off to that collection statute expiration date, after which the IRS cannot pursue collection action against you, unless it reduces your tax liability to a judgment, but that's very rare. Then once it reaches, the closer your tax debt is to that date, i.e. in general, the older it is, the more likely the IRS is to give concessions regarding that tax debt because it knows it doesn't have much time to collect from you anyway. Okay. Folks, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 in back taxes, or you have multiple years on filed tax returns, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Just give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you.